This is Mr. Joe from virtuabotix, and today I want to share with you one of my latest creations, which is the Solderful Breadboard for the Versalino. It's basically a proto board with a bit of a twist to make it easier for you to transition from your solderless breadboard to an actual soldered platform. And I'll go ahead and go over it while we solder it together. Okay, so here is the board, and basically you can see that there's the Versalino bus here set up in such a way that you've got access to it in two spots after plugging it into the Versalino. Here is a power regulator port and a place where you can put a plug. You have the general purposes on the right and left side, which are actually set up to be the right size so that you could actually plug in one of our SD card readers to the sides and manually wire it. And so you could put a 3.3 volt regulator here and be set up to do your SD card all off this one board. This central section, if you look on the back, is actually connected. Each row, or in this case column, is connected upward, split down the middle, and connected downward. And then there's a power bus here and a power bus there. And that allows you to actually pretty much transfer pin for pin. So let's go ahead and put it together. So first we're going to put the Versalino bus on. Okay, now let's put the jumper port on. Okay, so this is the Solderful Breadboard. Right here is your general purpose bus that basically translates all these over. You have an additional row here where you can do direct solder work. The size is such that you can actually fit a solderless breadboard on it. Solderless breadboards, if you weren't aware, have adhesive here, so you could actually have it semi-permanently attached. You can do your design work using these jumpers, right? And so you can, for each project, you could change what you have going on here until you're satisfied with your design. Then you can take advantage of the unique way this is designed and transfer almost identically what you've created up here down to this. And this is the Solderful Breadboard attached as a load board to the Versalino. You can see that it's just like all our other load boards, and that it'll plug on either bus and get identical performance when you're using the Versalino pin identities. And then you can design your own lug boards and not have to fuss around with it for too long. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you have any questions or suggestions on our next video, and I look forward to hearing from you.